Hello, everyone. My name is Jake Profit. In this video, I'll demonstrate proper PowerPoint design principles and advanced multimedia techniques. We'll cover how to create a clean, professional slides and how to add transitions, animations, audio, video, charts, and more. By the end, you will have a design and multimedia features of PowerPoint and a solid understanding of both. Before we dive into PowerPoint, it is important to understand why design matters. A well-designed slide keeps your audience focused on the message rather than struggling to read or interpret cluttered slides. A clear design also helps the reader maintain and retain information longer. For examples, when slides are visually organized with one main idea per slide, viewers can process the information much more effectively. This is an example of a bad design. Notice that this slide is very difficult to read, and there's too much information on the slide for the audience to receive in the appropriate amount of time. This would be a bad choice in slide design. Here are some key design principles. First, use a consistent theme and layout across all slides to make your presentation look professional. Second, keep text minimal. Focus on one main idea per slide. Third, choose readable fonts and colors that contrast well with the background. And finally, use visuals and images or icons to support your idea and your text rather than overwhelm the slide with words. Next, we are going to move into transitions. Transitions create smooth movements between slides. To add a transition, select a slide, choose the Transition tab. This will give you a selection of transitions that you would like to use. You can also use this down arrow bottom key at the bottom that will give you a much larger selection. Clicking on a selection will show you a preview of what the slide will look like. I am going to select Fall Over Transition. You can adjust the duration to make it faster or slower. Use transitions sparingly. Too many transitions can distract from your content. Next, we are going to move into animations. Animations allow objects or text to appear or move in a way that guides the audience's attention. For example, we can animate each bullet point to fade in or appear in the time that we want it. Simply click on the object, click on the Animations tab, and select the way in which you would like to have your text move in. Again, there is another button here at the bottom that will show you all of the options. I am going to select grow and turn for the first one. I am going to select a second option of swivel for the second option. And for the third, I'm going to use bounce. You can use the preview button to see how the text looks as it moves in. Remember, using animations can be distracting, so use them only when they add value. Next, we are going to go into the adding audio or a voiceover. PowerPoint allows you to add audio narration to your slides. simply go to the record button. You may record from the beginning of the presentation. You can record the current slide. You can screen record, or you can simply record audio. I am not going to do any of these audio buttons as I am trying a new platform today for my recording. And I apologize for not being able to show this section. Next, we're going to move into inserting video and screen capture. You can embed videos and record to your screen directly in PowerPoint. Simply go to Insert and Video. This gives you the option to insert a video from your device that is previously recorded. You can get a stock video within PowerPoint, or you can search the web for videos. These videos are great for tutorials, demonstrations, or adding dynamic content to your slides. Next, we are going to add VoiceOver. VoiceOver is the same as what we did before. Simply go to Record, and you can simply use the audio button, and you can record over any slide. Charts and data visualization. Charts help present data visually. Simply go to Insert and Chart. You may select a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart to enter any of your data. I am going to select a bar chart. Once clicking OK, this brings up your chart and an Excel spreadsheet in which to enter your data. You can adjust your data accordingly. If you do not like the colors of your chart, simply click the paintbrush. This will give you the ability to change the style of your chart and how your chart looks. And you may adjust the color of your chart accordingly. Next, we're going to move into timing and looping. You can set slides to advance automatically after a set time or loop continuously. This is useful for self-running presentation or kiosk. Simply go to Transitions, and you can adjust the slide to advance either on a mouse click or after the set amount of time that you deem necessary that the slide is appropriate. You also can go to Slideshow Setup, and you can use the loop button to where the slide will loop continuously until you are ready to move to the next slide. Next is my summary and best practices. To summarize, remember to keep your slides clean and consistent. Use visuals rather than large blocks of text, and apply multimedia features purposefully. Once your presentation is complete, export it as a video or a self-running slideshow so that it's easy to share with others. Thank you for watching my demonstration on the PowerPoint design and multimedia features. I hope these tips help you create professional and engaging presentations. Thank you.